Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a bowl of silky, comforting Luffa Egg Soup. Look at that! Creamy broth, tender luffa, and fluffy eggs. Doesn't it look cozy? This is a luffa. After giving it a good wash, peel off the skin. You can usually find these vegetables at an Asia grocery store. Then just cut it into chunks like this. Next, crack 3 eggs into a bowl and give them a quick whisk. And we will also need a small handful of dried shrimp. That's all the prep we need, super simple. Now let's get to cooking. Heat a bit of oil in the wok. Toss in the luffa and give it a quick stir fry until it smells fragrant. Then take it out and set aside. In the same wok, add some oil and pour in the beaten eggs. Scramble them just until cooked. Then add the boiling water. It has to be boiling hot. That's what makes the broth turn rich and milky white. See that? As the soup gets creamy, add the luffa back in. Now sprinkle in the dried shrimp, 3 teaspoons of salt, and about 2 teaspoons of ground white pepper. Let it simmer together. The longer you cook it, the richer the soup will become. After about 5 minutes, look at this broth. Beautifully milky and full of flavor. Right before we turn off the heat, drizzle in a tablespoon of sesame oil. And that's it. Wow, this bowl of Luffa Egg Soup is ready. It smells fresh and a little sweet from the luffa, with the richness of egg. Let me try a sip. Wow. The flavor is really fresh. And honestly, this is so beginner friendly. You don't need any fancy skills to make this delicious soup. You've got to give this one a try. Thanks for watching. See you next time.